Hi everyone, so tonight I'm going to make that pepper jack stuffed chicken. So I have just a small baking dish. I'm going to make 2 chicken breasts. One is 7 ounces, one is 4 ounces. I have already filleted them out. That's the bigger one. So what I'm going to do first is I wanted to make some sort of like a topping to go on top of them, like breadcrumbs and stuff, but I didn't have breadcrumbs. So instead, what I'm going to do is I just have 5 saltine crackers here. They're the reduced fat ones. They're 2 points for 5 crackers. So I'm just going to crush those up. And this is what I'm going to use to put on top of the chicken afterwards. If you have breadcrumbs, you are more than, they'll be really good if you use that instead. But I'm just using what I have. So those are nice and crumbled. So now what I'm going to do is I have my chicken sitting on a piece of parchment paper, and I'm just going to take another piece of parchment paper, lay it over the top this way, and then I'm just going to pound on the chicken to get it really flat and really thin. This is just a meat tenderizer. This isn't its purpose or its main use, but it's what I like to use it for. I think it works pretty well. Again, I use what I have. Okay, and the thinner it is, the faster it's going to cook too. So I'm just going to pull this apart. Really sticky. So I'm just going to season it with a little bit of garlic, salt, and some pepper. Okay, so I'm going to grease my baking pan I have here. I have canola oil. So now I have my 2 pieces of pepper jack cheese, 1 for each piece of chicken. 1 piece is 3 points, which is a lot, but it is a meal, so I'm just going to lay that flat like that. And then I'm going to roll them, so I'm going to turn them sideways and roll it. Now, like I said before, I've never made this before. I usually make it with pesto, so I'm eager to see how it turns out. So there's one of the rolls. Actually turned out pretty good. I'm going to roll this one up too. So here's the second one. Okay, rinse my hands. And I'm just going to season that again too, just on the top, because I only season the inside. So now I'm going to take those crackers, saltine crackers, and I'm just going to sprinkle them on top. It's just going to give it a little bit of crunch. So my piece of chicken for a 4-ounce piece with the piece of pepper jack cheese and then these crackers is 8 points for 1. So if you have that with a side of veggies, that's a pretty good dinner, 8 points. I think that's pretty good. So I'm going to, the oven is preheating. It's on at 375. So I'm going to get these in there and I'm going to bake them for maybe about 20 to 30 minutes. They're really thin pieces of chicken, so they're not going to take very long to cook. So I will show you a picture at the end of this video of what they look like afterwards. So, and I'll also put a breakdown of how many points each thing was that I used. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.